Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making boiled yam. If you have not yet subscribed yet, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how I peel my yam. I'll cut the ends of it. After that, I'll cut it into circle. You can cut it any shape you want. Then peel it. After peeling all the cut pieces, I will wash it and transfer it into a pot. As you can see, I have 4 cups of water inside this bowl. I'll put half tablespoon of salt, then mix it. I'll pour the water inside the yam. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 20 minutes on a high heat. So guys, it's up to 20 minutes now. I will use my fork to test if the yam is soft enough. The yam is soft enough. I'm going to pour out the excess water out of the yam. This is the end result of my boiled yam. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.